Ever thought about how to improve your English skills while staying updated with current news? Welcome to today's segment where we delve into how current news can be your language learning companion. In the fast-paced world of today, English proficiency is more than a skill. It's a necessity. And what better way to enhance your language skills than by engaging with the news? First on the agenda is expanding your vocabulary. News articles are a treasure trove of words, ranging from common ones to more advanced terminology. Picture this quote from a recent news article. The government's fiscal policies have exacerbated the economic downturn. The word exacerbated means to make a problem or situation worse. Encountering such words in context not only broadens your vocabulary, but also teaches you how to use them effectively in sentences. Secondly, news consumption is a fantastic way to learn collocations and phrases commonly used in English. Take this headline for instance. Tech giant launches groundbreaking innovation in artificial intelligence. The phrase groundbreaking innovation is a collocation frequently used to describe significant advancements. Regular exposure to such phrases in news articles familiarizes you with how words naturally pair together in English. Moving on, news articles are also excellent examples of correct grammar and sentence structures. Consider this sentence from a recent news report. The company announced its plans to expand operations globally, aiming to reach new markets by the end of the fiscal year. This complex sentence structure with multiple clauses is a perfect opportunity to improve your understanding of grammar rules and sentence construction. Besides reading, listening to news broadcasts or podcasts can help you improve your pronunciation and understanding of word endings. Pay close attention to how news anchors pronounce words and enunciate endings. For instance, listening to how they pronounce words like innovation or globalization can help you mimic their pronunciation accurately. In conclusion, incorporating current news into your language learning routine can significantly enhance your English skills. Whether it's expanding your vocabulary, learning collocations and phrases, understanding grammar and sentence structure, or improving pronunciation, the news provides a wealth of opportunities for language development. So, next time you're looking to sharpen your English skills, remember to turn to the headlines. That's all for today. Happy learning, and stay informed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and English learning strategies. Until next time, keep exploring the world of English through the lens of current news.